You must be tired by now.
Yeah.
You've set up how many tents? 5 tents you've set up.
5, 6 more to go.
6 more to go?
Yes.
Oh my god. So here Mrunal is setting up all the tents. And that guy is helping him. Santosh. Look at the view. Amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Priyanka Exploring. So today I'm here at South Goa, in South Goa, Agonda Beach. I'm planning to do night camping here and I have my friend with me. His name is Mrunal.
Mrunal Naikgaonkar.
So Mrunal, say hi to my lovely subscribers.
Hello.
So Mrunal is organizing the entire camp out here. So we will speak to him how he has been doing all these things. He is into this business for last 3-4 years, I guess, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Mrunal, can you tell me that how many camps have you done so far?
Camping I started this year only. So this is my 5th camp.
Okay.
And treks,
and trekking also you are doing?
Yeah. So treks I have been, I started doing it since December 2017.
Okay.
So since then, like every year we have like 9 to 10 treks. Also we organize tours like Manali, Shimla and all.
Alright, so out of Goa also
Yes,
you
yes.
go. Oh, that's great. And he has been doing all these things since quite a long time. So he's an experienced guy. Also you can follow him on his social media account. What is your account?
On Instagram the handle is Mrunalistic.
Okay. That's your personal account?
Yeah. And also Goa Trekking Club.
So there's an Insta account, Goa Trekking Club. I'll leave all the description down below for you so that you can follow him. And also he keeps organizing such treks. If you are interested, you can come to Goa and you can utilize his services. How do you set up these tents here? आपको कुछ permission लेना पड़ता है या कोई भी आके यहाँ पे tent setup करता है? अगर कोई बंदा है वो कोई भी आके टेंट सेटअप कर सकता है क्या?
नहीं, एक्चुअली बीच पे टेंट कैंप करना मतलब कैंपिंग करना परमिशन अलाउड नहीं है.
It is not allowed.
हाँ,
okay.
Normally you have to take permission from पंचायत.
Okay.
Also forest.
Okay.
Forest जो एरिया रहता है
Okay.
तो उनका भी परमिशन लेना जरूरी है.
Okay.
The other thing is like कोई रेस्टोरेंट या शेक वगैरह रहता है तो
आसपास.
हाँ आसपास तो उनसे पहले एक बार बात करो. मतलब वो जो आगे का एरिया रहता है वो उनका रहता है.
Okay.
तो वो अगर अलाउ करते हैं पिच करने के लिए टेंट तो यू कैन डू इट.
Yes.
और ये परमिशन वगैरह भी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Right, so you cannot set up your camps on the beach anywhere like this without any permission. You have to seek permission from Panchayat, forest area, and also through restaurant area and the shacks set up out there. So you have to take permission from all these places. Apart from camping, what all we will be doing tomorrow? कुछ बोटिंग वगैरह कर रहे हैं हम.
कल सुबह बैक वाटर यहाँ पे जो हाई टाइड में ये जो सी वाटर है वो पीछे से
पीछे जाएगा. I'll show you all that area.
तो वहाँ पर सुबह अराउंड 8 o'clock हम बैक वाटर राइड के लिए जाएंगे.
Okay.
वहाँ पर सुबह डिफरेंट बर्ड्स आते हैं.
Okay.
तो वो भी देखने को मिलेंगे.
That we can see.
हाँ.
So we can enjoy the nature out there tomorrow through boating. So right now we're preparing for bonfire.
There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She takes a hot and cold fever. She leaves me in a cuckoo sweat. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Good work. Oh my God. It's going. Bye bye 2020. Bye bye 2020. Hey guys, very good morning to all of you and a very happy new year to all of you and your family members. This is my day 2 at Agonda Beach where I was staying yesterday night and I stayed in camps. So what a beautiful day to start early morning and your new year 2021. So just you can see behind me the sun is rising. So today's plan is to go for boating and Kali will take us for boating today, and that's the backwaters area where we are going to take our boat to, right? So वहाँ पर क्या-क्या देखने को है Kali?
Birds है, view है, mangrove.
Okay. So we will watch birds, lot of birds out there, and mangroves also we will watch.
Different kind of birds.
Okay. All right. So let's go and check it out. Okay, so Kali आप बता सकते हो कि अभी हम बोट में जाएंगे, वो कितना मतलब ड्यूरेशन क्या है उसका बोटिंग का?
7-8 लोग जा सकते हैं।
7-8 लोग जा सकते हैं और कितनी देर तक?
वो 1.5 घंटे का राइड होगा।
1.5 घंटे का। ओके ओके। अगर किसी को आपको डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट करना हो इधर आके तो आपका कितना चार्जेस वगैरह होता है बोटिंग का?
ऐसा हम लोग डायरेक्ट चार्जेस करते हैं ना, ऐसा 500 पर हेड करते हैं।
500 रुपीज पर हेड। ओके ओके।
और ज्यादा लोग होता है तो थोड़ा कम करता है।
अच्छा अच्छा। ओके ओके। So this is the backwater creek and that side it is meeting the seashore, that side, and we are going to take our boat here and we will explore more of wildlife, birds and fish and lot other things. So you can see those small trees, these are all mangroves and they protect the soil from the erosion actually. So these are the boat, one of these boat we will go in. See, this place is so beautiful and scenic. Who would like to go to international trips, man, when in India you have such beautiful places? Wow, just blue sea, so many of trees out there. It is lovely, but I would request you guys, please do not leave trash in such beautiful and good places, natural places. In case you are bringing any bottle or anything with you, please carry it back with you. I really wish I could go to that side, but it is very difficult to cross this creek because it is very deep from here. So during low tide I can try going there. It is not possible today because once it is low tide the water will go back that side. So then only we can go to this area. Hey, meet my new friend, Rashmi.
All the best for your YouTube video.
Thank you so much. Hi Bella. Hi Bella. Cutie pie. See her face. Ooh, cute, cute. Obedient doggy. She's 3 months old.
Yeah, 3 months.
Cute, huh? So it's 8 o'clock in the morning and we are going on a boat for boat ride. Chale? Come. It's very... Come. इधर से भी कर सकते हैं फोटो. इधर देखो साहब. It's a video though.
बहुत ज्यादा तो सैंड के ऊपर बैठ के ऐसा खेकड़ा वगैरह.
ये सारा फिशिंग बोट्स ना.
अरे ये
ओ यहाँ पे इनका पूरा फिशिंग बिजनेस है उधर.
वो देखो आगे एक बर्ड है, उसका नाम है मोहिन बर्ड.
ओके. हाँ वो भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है. ये उधर था. ये सारी माइग्रेटेड बर्ड्स हैं या यहीं पर ही रहती हैं? यहीं पे रहती हैं. ओके.
इधर मच्छी शिकार है, बांगड़ा.
हाँ.
किधर है?
कुमरन था.
क्या गया?
ओह दिखाया, देखो उसने डेमो दिखाया. हाँ
सो ब्यूटीफुल.
पकड़ के खा रहे हैं.
हो गया फिश बंदे.
Backwaters boat ride must be in your list to cover in Goa. We did boat ride in Salary River, Agonda, South Goa. The river is surrounded by lush green mangroves, coconut trees bordering the water. You can also witness lots of local and migrated birds. You can easily spot kingfishers, golden oriole, parrots, bulbul, maina and egrets in backwaters. Our guide Kali was friendly and knew the name of all the birds we spotted.
देखा था?
ये
एक वो हाँ ये है. एक उधर भी बैठा है ना बर्ड ट्री के ऊपर, ब्लैक कलर का छोटा सा विद टेल, लॉन्ग टेल.
ड्रोंगू. बगड़ा.
ये वो छोटे छोटे बर्ड्स उड़ रहे हैं ऊपर. It's a very serene and stunning experience. You must try. trees.
इधर पानी में
इसमें
रहता
देखो
है,
फ्लावर्स आ रहे हैं ना काजू ट्री में।
इधर लोग साइड में पानी में आता है, उस टाइम वो लेके
हाँ तोड़ते हैं।
हाँ छड़ी लेके आते हैं, निकालते हैं। ऐसे कोमोरस मुका रहता है, कोमोरस।
हाँ ये देखो देखो उड़ गया। So this is how I started my new year and spent a peaceful morning with lovely bunch of new friends, bird watching and boat riding in Goa. वो देखो हमारा पीछा करते हुए आ गए। Are you chasing us, guys? Enjoy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. You've been enjoying and liking all my videos. It means a lot to me and inspires me to make more such videos. Wishing you all lots of good luck this new year 2021. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I upload travel videos regularly. Soon I am uploading a vlog about water sports in Goa. So see you soon. Take care and have fun. Bye bye.